Welcome to our roundup of the best self-emptying robot vacuum options. If you are tired of constantly emptying dust bins, dealing with pet hair, or chasing crumbs around your home, these smart cleaning machines are designed to do the hard work for you. We selected top-rated robot vacuums that combine powerful suction, intelligent navigation, mopping capability, and most importantly, self-emptying convenience. In this video, we will break down key features like suction strength, battery life, mapping technology, dust capacity, and smart controls so you can find the perfect fit for your home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals on all the models mentioned. Let's dive in and find the ideal self-emptying robot vacuum for you. The first on the list is the Bagoat Robot Vacuum and Mop. This robot vacuum is designed for users who want cleaning efficiency without spending a premium. Right out of the box, it offers self-emptying dustbin, 2-in-1 vacuum and mop function, and smart gyroscope navigation that keeps cleaning organized rather than random. With strong suction power and dual side brushes, it easily collects dust, pet hair, crumbs, and fine debris from both hard floors and carpets. The built-in mopping system adds another layer of cleaning, allowing you to wipe away light stains and footprints while vacuuming at the same time. The Bagoat robot uses gyroscope navigation to follow a logical cleaning path, which improves coverage and reduces missed spots. This means it does not bump around blindly, but moves in neat rows across your floor. It automatically returns to the charging dock when the battery runs low and resumes cleaning from where it left off. The self-emptying station stores debris for weeks, which reduces how often you need to interact with the vacuum. This is especially helpful for busy households or pet owners who deal with daily shedding. You also get smart app control and voice assistant compatibility, allowing you to schedule cleaning sessions, adjust suction power, and select cleaning modes from your phone. The slim design helps it slide under sofas, beds, and cabinets where dust usually hides. While it may not have advanced laser mapping like high-end models, its performance is impressive for its category. Overall, the Bagoat Robot Vacuum and Mop is an excellent budget-friendly choice that brings self-emptying convenience, mopping, and smart navigation together in one reliable package. Next up is the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. This model focuses heavily on intelligence and deep cleaning performance. It comes with AI laser navigation, ultra-powerful suction for pet hair, and self-emptying base with large capacity that can hold debris for up to 30 days. The advanced laser mapping system allows the vacuum to scan your home accurately and create precise floor maps. It moves in clean, organized rows and adapts to obstacles in real time, which significantly reduces bumping into furniture. This Shark model is particularly impressive for homes with pets. Its brush roll and suction system are engineered to pull embedded hair from carpets and hard floors without tangling. You can create no-go zones, select specific rooms for cleaning, and schedule sessions using the Shark app or voice commands. The self-emptying base seals dirt and allergens inside the bag, making it more hygienic when you finally replace it. Another standout feature is its row-by-row cleaning pattern that ensures full floor coverage. The vacuum detects high-traffic areas or dirtier areas and increases suction automatically for deeper cleaning. The low-profile design helps it reach under furniture easily, while cliff sensors prevent it from falling down stairs. Though slightly larger than compact models, its performance and intelligence make up for the size. Overall, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra is a powerful, smart, and reliable option for homes that need serious cleaning performance with minimal effort. Next, we have the TCOM Robot Vacuum and Mop. This robot vacuum is a great combination of affordability and smart cleaning technology. It features strong 2-in-1 vacuum and mop system, smart LiDAR navigation, and self-emptying station for hands-free use. The TCOM LiDAR navigation system allows it to create accurate maps of your home and clean in an efficient pattern without repeating areas. This makes cleaning faster and battery efficient. With adjustable suction levels and an electronically controlled water tank, the TCOM can vacuum and mop simultaneously while adapting to different floor types. It transitions smoothly from hard floors to carpets and increases suction when needed, Overall, the TCOM robot vacuum and mop delivers impressive smart mapping, mopping performance, and self-emptying convenience at a very competitive value. Next is the Shark AV2501AE AI robot vacuum. This is another powerful Shark model built for users who want maximum automation and precision. It offers AI home mapping, self-empty base with HEPA filtration, and incredible suction for carpets and pet hair. The AI mapping system learns the layout of your home quickly and allows you to target specific rooms for cleaning through the app. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the HEPA-sealed self-empty base. It traps dust, allergens, and fine particles, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. The suction performance is strong enough to pull dirt from deep inside carpets while still being gentle on hard floors. Its brush roll is designed to prevent hair wrap, which reduces maintenance significantly. This vacuum follows a systematic row pattern for full coverage and can detect obstacles in its path. You can schedule cleaning sessions, set no-go zones, and adjust settings easily through the Shark app. The battery allows long cleaning sessions, and the robot automatically returns to its dock when needed. While it does not include a mopping feature, its vacuuming power and self-emptying system are top tier. Overall, the Shark AV2501AE AI robot vacuum is an excellent choice for users who prioritize powerful suction, allergy protection, and intelligent room-by-room cleaning. The last one on our list is the iLife A30 Pro robot vacuum and mop. This premium model brings advanced mapping and cleaning efficiency together. It features LiDAR laser mapping, self-emptying dust station, and simultaneous vacuum and mop capability for complete floor care. The LiDAR technology allows it to scan rooms accurately and create real-time maps for highly efficient cleaning paths. With powerful suction and an adjustable water tank, it handles dust, dirt, pet hair, and light stains effortlessly. The self-emptying station minimizes maintenance and stores debris for extended periods. The iLife app allows you to set cleaning schedules, draw virtual boundaries, and control the robot remotely. It also works with voice assistants for convenient operation. The A30 Pro has strong battery life and can clean large homes in one go. Its slim body allows it to reach under furniture easily, and anti-collision sensors help it move smoothly without bumping into objects. The mop function is particularly effective for maintaining hard floors daily. While it may take some time to fully learn your home layout during the first runs, once mapped, it performs very efficiently. Overall, the iLife A30 Pro robot vacuum and mop is a smart, powerful, and low-maintenance cleaning solution for modern homes. So, that wraps up our picks for the best self-emptying robot vacuums. Each of these models offers a unique combination of smart navigation, powerful suction, and hands-free dust disposal to make cleaning easier than ever. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.